हेलो एवरीवन, मैं सुषमा पांडे आज आपको स्मृति योग सिखाने जा रही हूँ, जिससे कि स्टूडेंट्स प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं अपने रूटीन लाइफ में टू इम्प्रूव मेमोरी, कंसंट्रेशन, जिससे उनके मार्क्स बढ़ेंगे, जिससे उनकी याददाश्त तेज होगी। और ये आज के डेट पे सभी के लिए जरूरी है, सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। तो चलिए आज सीखते हैं स्मृति योग। सबसे पहले हम बैठ जाएंगे ध्यान मुद्रा में और ओम चैंट करेंगे 3 टाइम्स। स्पाइन सीधी करके बैठना है, दोनों हाथों को इस तरह से ध्यान मुद्रा में लगाना है। ध्यान मुद्रा मीन्स इंडेक्स एंड थंब जॉइन टुगेदर। रेस्ट ऑन योर नी, क्लोज योर आईज, टेक लॉन्ग डीप ब्रीदिंग। Join your palms together, rub your palm, apply this energy over your eyes, slowly open your eyes. Now we will start asanas. Number 1 asana, Tadasana. You have to stand on your feet, hip width distance between both the feet. Samsthiti. Interlock your fingers. Inhale, raise your palms up, palm facing up, hands up, stretch up, heel up. Toes पे आ जाइए, दृष्टि सामने, focus on any one point. यहाँ पे आपको रुकना है 30 counts. Exhale, heel down, release your palms down, relax. Next asana, Padhastasana. This asana, I will show you from side. You have to stand hip width distance, similar this way. Inhale, raise your both hands up, stretch up. All fingers open, palm facing front, hip out, as if you are going to sit on chair. Spine straight, bend forward. And drop your head completely down. Remember, keep your knee lock. Drop your upper body down. Just hold here, be there for 30 counts. While coming up, look in front, spine straight. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, bring your hands down from side. Relax. Third asana, त्रिकोणासन. दोनों पैरों के बीच में 2 से 2.5 फीट का डिस्टेंस लेंगे. As per your height, increase the distance. Now turn your right feet towards the right side, trunk towards front. Inhale, raise your both hands to the shoulder level, palm facing down. Exhale, slightly bend towards your right side. Slide down your palm on your leg. Catch your ankle. Look up. Look to your middle finger. If you can place your palm down, just place it in front of ankle joint. If you cannot go down, you can catch your knee also. Keep your shoulder line maintained. Hold here for 30 counts. While releasing, look in front. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Turn your feet towards the camera. Right, turn your left feet, left side, right is in front. Inhale, raise your both hands to the shoulder level. Exhale, slightly bend, slide down, catch your ankle, look up. Look to your middle finger. Hold here. Keep your both knees locked. While coming up, inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, release your hands down. Bring your feet nearer to each other. Number 4 asana, Vrikshasana, tree pose. For that you have to stand hip width distance on your feet. Raise your right leg up or left. Bend your knee, catch your feet and place your sore on your left thigh, opposite thigh, and push it against the resistance. Raise your both hands to the shoulder level. Look in front. Focus on any one point. You can hold your hands this way. Join your palm. Keep your hands on your hip. Or you can have a Namaskar pose. You have to do this for 60 counts with one side. Release, relax your hands down, release your leg down. Similarly, from other side, place against resistance, take it little up towards the thigh, push it and pull this way. Focus. The most important point, look at any one point on your wall or wherever you are standing, just focus on any one point. While releasing, just release your hands down and relax. Fifth asana is Veerbhadrasana. This is also called as Warrior 1, 2, 3. We are going to do all 3. Hip width distance से increase करना है. Now 2 feet, 2.5 feet, depends upon your height. Increase the distance between both the feet. Both the feet are parallel to each other. Straight. Turn your right feet towards the right side. Now take your left feet 45 degrees towards the right side so that your trunk is completely turned towards the right side. Bend your right knee at 90 degrees. Hip down. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Join your palms together, look up. Hold here for 20 counts. Exhale, bring your hands down from side. Turn towards the camera, turn your left feet. Right remains same. Inhale, raise your both hands to the shoulder level, palm facing down. Now only turn your neck towards the right side. Look to your middle finger. Hold here for 20 counts. Warrior 3. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Take it reverse. Left hand down on the thigh. Take it reverse, how much you can take, up to your capacity. Look to your middle finger, hold. Exhale, release your right hand down, straighten your knee, turn your right feet towards the camera. Now both the feet are parallel to each other. Once again, turn your left feet towards the left side, trunk is in front. Take your right feet 45 degrees in towards the left side. Bend your left knee at 90 degrees. Inhale, raise your right both hands up. Join your palm together. Look up, Warrior 1. Hold here for 20 counts. Exhale, look in front, release your hands down from side. Turn your body towards the camera, right feet towards the camera. Inhale, raise your both hands to the shoulder level. Exhale, turn your neck towards the left side. Look to your middle finger. Hold here for 20 counts. Warrior 3. Place your right palm on your right thigh. Raise your left hand up. Take it reverse, how much you can take. Look to your middle finger. Hold here for 20 counts. Exhale, release. Your hands down, your legs straight, turn your left feet towards the camera and slowly bring your legs nearer to each other. Relax. So number 6 asana, Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing. For this, sit on mat, come on table pose, shoulder width distance between both the hands, shoulder के exactly नीचे wrist place करिए. Hip width distance between both the knees, feet flat first. Now just increase little your hands in front. Tuck your toe. Lift your knee. Push your shoulders down. Fix your head. Remember, do not bend your neck. Fix your head. Keep your spine, neck in one line. Push your shoulders down. Try to put your feet down. Hold here for 30 counts. Take a break and once again hold here for 30 count. Take a break, sit in Vajrasana and once again go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana for 30 count. Hold here. Your forehead facing towards the mat. Release. While releasing, knee down, feet flat, sit in Vajrasana. Number 7, Balakasana or baby pose. For this you have to sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana बैठते वक्त आपको ध्यान क्या देना है कि आपके heels out होने चाहिए. You are sitting on arch, not on heels. Spine straight, shoulders back, chest out. This is Vajrasana. बेबी पोज के लिए आपको दोनों हाथों को साइड में लेना है. This way. I'll show you in front and side. Go the side. Inhale, spine straight. Exhale, pull your tummy in and bend forward. Place your forehead down. Place your both the palms down in resting phase. If you are not able to touch your forehead down, you just hang your head this way. While coming, drishti samne, inhale, slowly come back. Same, I will show you from front. Sit in Vajrasana comfortably, spine straight, palms this way. If you are not doing palms this way also okay, just be straight. Inhale, straight your spine more. Exhale, bend forward, spine straight. Place your forehead down on the mat and place your palm down. Rest like a baby. Hold here for a minute. Next is inhale, come up and release. So here we go with number 8. So with the Balakasana बहुत आसान है, देखिए कैसे करना है और आप इसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. So जैसे आप बालकासन में गए थे, वहां से मैं आपको लेती हूँ आगे. Take your top of head on the mat. For this you just lift your hip up and you are on your top of head. Slightly take your legs back and give hip width distance between both the knees. Drop your elbow down and be there for at least 30 counts once. And repeat this for 30 more counts. Keep your eyes closed. Exhale while coming down. Just slide your hip down. And bring your palms back. You are in Balakasana. Inhale. Slowly come up. Straight your spine. Sit in Vajrasana and relax. After these 8 asanas, you will go for the pranayama. So pranayama basically Anulom Vilom, Brahmari, Om Chant is required to do. Anulom Vilom, Brahmari, you have to do minimum of 2 minutes. At least more than that you can do it for longer than half an hour or more, whatever is your convenient timing and feasibility. There is no harm of doing this for a longer period. But minimum 2 minutes as we are running with the Smriti Yoga. Moving, left hand you have to place in Dhyan Mudra. On your knee, right hand, make a Vishnu Mudra. 2 fingers in, 2 out, thumb out. Use your thumb for pressing the right nostril. Use your fingers for pressing the left nostril. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. It has to be very slow. Ratio of inhale, exhale 1:1. So let's start. Eyes closed, spine straight. Inhale from left. Close your left nostril. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Close your right nostril, open your left nostril, exhale from left. And once you are done, open your eyes. While doing Anulom Vilom, focus on your breathing. Complete focus on inhalation and exhalation, chest rise and chest fall. Ratio should be maintained. Next pranayam is Brahmari pranayam. For Brahmari pranayam, you have to sit straight, chest out, shoulders back. You have to close your eyes and close your ears so that you cannot hear anything from outside and see outside. For this, you have to close your eyes and hear. And it is a Brahmari pranayam, means honeybee sound. Brahmari means honeybee. So make a sound of honeybee like moo. So you have to close your mouth, close your lips and pronounce ma very loudly. This way I'll show you once. While exhalation म को उच्चारण करना है और ध्यान ये रहे कि आपको मिड ऑफ द ब्रेन वो वाइब्रेशंस फील करने हैं. मिड ऑफ द ब्रेन यू हैव टू फील दैट वाइब्रेशन ऑफ म साउंड. Ready? So place 4 fingers over the eyes, very slight. You don't have to press it, just close it, close your eyelids, and you have to close your ear by closing the small flap by thumb. Inhale, slow deep inhalation and start. Open your eyes. While doing Brahmari, most important, you have to focus on the vibrations. Be loud and long. The ratio of inhalation exhalation is 1:2. More than the inhalation exhalation has to go on. Okay, coming to the end part of it, Om chant or Ma chant. You can do Om chant or Ma chant. Sitting in Dhyan Mudra, index thumb joined together, rest on your knees, spine straight. Close your eyes. Inhale. Or Ma chant. Join your palm, rubbing it, placing on your eyes, relaxing it, and namaskar. So this is how you have to follow Smriti Yoga. You have to follow for 30 days minimum to see the effect of it. Thank you. Om Shanti.